Okay, that's great. Yes. Okay, ready.
Alright, sir. Raju sir, you presented the movie Anand. Rishikesh Mukherjee starred in Mauni, and somewhere you must have been inspired by the kind of cinema that he put forth. Can you share a couple of thoughts about it?
I completely grew up watching Rishikesh Mukherjee. So Anand, I was in primary school, I think, when I saw Anand, and I got completely caught by Rajesh Khanna, by Amitabh Bachchan, by Johnny Walker, by Ramesh Dev, by Dara Singh, and more importantly by the way the film was written by Gulzar Saab and the way the film was made by Rishikesh Mukherjee. I became a big fan of Gulzar Saab and Rishikesh Mukherjee, and I continued watching their films thereafter. And this is the kind of cinema I like, which is human interest stories. So I can't deny the fact that Rishikesh Mukherjee has been a huge influence on the kind of films I make.
Also, there are lots of remakes on his movies, so that goes to sort of say that, you know, they're still relevant today.
Sorry,
There are lots of remakes that are coming out of his movies that he made back in the day, and, you know, that goes to say that it's still relevant today, kind of cinema.
See, stories are a reflection of their times, and eventually you have that many stories. So they will keep getting recycled, keep changing face depending on what's happening in the time you're living in. So
Question. In general, never, you're not big into remakes as such. You've always had that whole general idea and you want to do that, your own original idea and stuck to it. Is that something that you're opposed to, or that's out of your comfort zone, or you would rather, or probably in the future you would want to try something?
see, till the mind is functioning, until we can make original stories, I would like to make original stories, because that's a bigger joy. The whole journey of actually writing and coming up with stories is something we like doing. And I guess the day we get old and we can't really do anything else, we'll start making remakes. कौन सी हुई है मुझे बताइए, मैं बहुत फिल्में देखी नहीं मैंने. रीमेक्स कौन सी हैं? मैंने नहीं देखी वो. चश्मा इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट फिल्म्स, बट आई डिडंट सी द रीमेक. हाँ, नहीं देखी, वो भी नहीं देखी. गोलमाल देखी मैंने. हाँ, गोलमाल देखी मैंने, बट आई सी दैट गोलमाल वाज नॉट अ रीमेक एक्चुअली, गोलमाल वाज अ टाइटल. एंड या सी somehow I guess the originals have been originals. They have been better, or also it's our association with that time and that period that you tend to enjoy that more than anything else.
इस तरह की फिल्में यंग डायरेक्टर्स के लिए जो एक इंस्पिरेशन होती है, उस पर क्या कहना चाहिए? जैसी फिल्में जो होती है, यंग डायरेक्टर जो होते हैं उनके लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन होती है.
नहीं, आई थिंक हर डायरेक्टर के लिए अपनी एक पसंद होती है. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आनंद ही मेरी पसंद ही है, बिकॉज आई लाइक ह्यूमन इंटरेस्ट स्टोरीज. किसी के लिए कोई हॉरर फिल्म इंस्पिरेशन हो सकती है, किसी के लिए कोई थ्रिलर इंस्पिरेशन हो सकती है. तो हर डायरेक्टर की अपनी अलग पसंद है. See, I guess this time it was just a more emergency ambulance case where the festival was sinking and some great doctors came and saved it. So that I think it's a effort which has to be appreciated. There would be, I know I was talking to them, they said every day there are some loose ends and some mishaps. But I guess when you're trying to save it, at least they kept it surfaced. I'm sure from next year, if they have more funds, they would be able to definitely do a better job.
So generally for your film, you give like 4 years of your time, 3 years of your time for a particular script. But do you think these days writers are in a hurry to just finish the script and get it ready? I mean, do you think it's more time consuming process writing?
See, writing is it's a process you cannot define how long it will take. You can, if you're lucky, you might finish a film in 15 days. You know, if you're not lucky, you might spend 5 years and still not get it right. So it's a process, and that's a very individual choice. You know, somebody will want to make a film in a rush, and somebody will want to spend time on it. It's sad. Once Salim Saab told me a very fascinating story. He told me that I'm talking of Salim Khan Saab. He said, मैंने इतने साल फिल्में लिखी, मेरे पास अक्सर प्रोड्यूसर्स डायरेक्टर्स आते थे और कहते थे कि सर हमको एक्टर की डेट मिल गई है, फिल्म बनानी है, हमको वो कुछ ग्रेट लोकेशंस मिल गए हैं, वो फिल्म बनानी है, हमको पैसे आ गए, हमको फिल्म बनानी है। इससे मेरे पास आज तक कोई नहीं आया जिसने कहा कि सर एक ग्रेट आइडिया है, फिल्म बनानी है। सो दैट्स अ सैड थिंग।
Another sort of trend that we're seeing in cinema is biopics, and you are on your way to make one. Mr. and Lead on Sanjay Dutt's life.
I think today we should talk about the festival. We should talk about the festivals.
We also have had biopics at
Exactly.
film festivals.
Yeah.
In the past.
Biopics are a very fascinating. Unfortunately, we have not made too many biopics in this country.
Correct.
And Rakesh made one of them recently, Baag Milka Baag. And so biopic or true stories, I would say. Sometimes they're true stories of unknown people. Look at Hollywood, how they actually pick up stories. When the last film I saw, 12 Years a Slave, which is a story of an unknown man in slavery. And it's a wonderful film to watch. So I think we should dig into true stories and make true stories. If it's fascinating, I would. If I get a fascinating story, I don't know. If I get a fascinating story. No, why should I be biased? I love women. I think I should, at this moment, it's too early to announce whatever is, too early to say anything. Oh God, I'll be, no. Rishikesh Mukherjee has made too many films. To me, he's supreme. I feel embarrassed even to be compared to him.
One last question. Certain films, the first of the film are to be released with big budget film. Like you are releasing the first of the film happening. So is there any particular thought behind it? You have to release with a big budget movie?
The trailers?
Yeah.
See, obviously, trailer is it's a marketing thing. It's a marketing choice. The distributors make the choice. You want your trailer to be seen by as many people. So obviously, the choice is to go with a film where, or at a time when more people will be at the cinema halls. So Diwali is one such time when more people will be at the. So conventionally, all our films we released at Diwali. 3 years before, trailer was at Diwali. One of our MBBS was around the same time. So the choice is either the time or a big film.
Lastly, to wrap it up, would you just wish our viewers a very happy Diwali, another festival coming?
Hi, this is Rajiv Irani, and I wish all of you a very, very happy Diwali. Enjoy Diwali and play it safe.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Questions, a lot of questions. I think how should the script go further, the importance of script, and most essentially the importance of the writer, and how can we hone new talent in the country. So there were some interesting suggestions which came up. Obviously, you can't find a solution in one day, but I'm very happy that there are sessions like this and forums like this, and very happy for the people who made it happen. So, like Cine Rise and Mumbai Mantra, they've done a great job.
A few pointers from the specialist to when you compare it. Sort of influence is difficult to say how does the script going on and why and how. Like this or not, like to mention that you kind of related.
No, I don't know whether you heard me, but I said there's no dearth of good ideas.
No?
I never felt that. I think they need to find there's always the right time in the history of a nation for certain kind of stories to be told. India is changing, India is evolving, so even cinema will evolve as the society evolves, and more as you can see what there was 5 years ago is totally different today. Let me promise you, it's only going to change over the next 5 years. In fact, we are changing by the hour.
Mami has been sort of resurrected, so it was
Yeah.
going to happen. What do you have to say about that? That's not exactly incorporated back in Mami, Mumbai Film Festival, but industry is sort of took it ahead this time. What do you have to say?
Yeah, it's हिंदी में बोलते हैं कदरदान होना चाहिए आपके आर्ट का. अब जब वो अगर कदरदान नहीं है तो अपने काम का खुद ही कदरदान बनना पड़ता है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट द पीपल हु हैव पैशन फॉर सिनेमा हैव स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, नॉट जस्ट विद एम्प्टी वर्ड्स बट दे हैव contributed money, time, effort, to resurrect Mami, and it has happened, and it's so wonderful. It's like a festival is something where you celebrate. So we are celebrating cinema now.
Now you spoke a lot about being positive. So what are tips you have for middle schools for
Say again.
You spoke a lot about being positive towards criticism. So what are your tips towards film schools to train young screenwriters?
Yeah, I think life is too short to have negative energy, especially when you are writing. Writing is a very long process, it's a very lonely process. It can get frustrating. You might not see the results immediately. There's no way to ensure that. So you got to keep believing in yourself, your conviction, and keep believing in the joy of writing, and not worry about results all the time. Results are important, but that cannot be your guiding factor. You have to first be wanting to tell a story. Absolutely. I've grown up, my Nani Dadi telling me Diwali is a festival of lights, and I always thought that it's like the lights we light all over, diyas and candles, and these days there are these Chinese bulbs. But I think the real light which we can light is the light within us. So I've understood the meaning, I think.
I have one question. How important do you think is releasing the first look of a movie with some other big banner movies that comes out?
I don't know, I'm not a marketing person. I write and direct.
But being a filmmaker, do you think is that
पता नहीं, मैंने सोचा नहीं इस बारे में कभी. जी.
Can I ask you as a director, what is your take on censorship?
What's your question?
Because here in the festival there is no censorship, whereas when others are released in the cinemas.
Yeah.
So what is your take on it? Is it good or bad? Like, does it hamper with the...
I've always believed in self-censorship. So self-censorship of the maker, the producer and the director. I've always believed in self-censorship of the family. The family is a unit, so there should be parental guidance into movies. And while the children are young, their parents can guide them. And when they grow up, they'll have the mind of their own, so they should be left to themselves.
सर भाग मिल्खा भाग तो बहुत सक्सेसफुल है, लेकिन अभी आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म इसके बारे में बताइए कि क्या स्टेटस है इसका?
कुछ नहीं, अभी तो बना रहे हैं, जब बन जाएगी तब देखते हैं.